right, guys. Happy 4th of July. Let me turn everything down. Okay. It's raining right now, as you guys can see, but that's kind of good. It's only 10:56 a.m. So they said it's supposed to rain like 10 and 11-ish and stop. So that's really good because it's been really hot and dry in Missouri. And the grass was really dry when I mowed it yesterday. So I'm really glad it's getting a nice little like hydration break. So that way nothing like turns on fire on us later on when we're lighting stuff.
Catches on fire.
But yeah. But we are going to actually go to my dad's to pick some stuff up, and then we're going to come back here, and depending on if it's raining or not, we'll probably light some stuff. But we have a few things we have to do. We have to tear tops off on a few cakes, so we got to do a whole bunch of stuff, yeah, so we will catch y'all where we're at next, and yeah, have a safe 4th. We're ready. It's today. I'm sad it's today though, because that means after today you gotta wait 364 days later for it to come again. But it sucks, but you know, it always comes back, like I said last year. And look at us now. Bam, a year later, and we're here again. But all right, let's get to it. Peace. All right, guys, we got everything here. Everything's on the ground. You know how it is. We got
look at all the
stuff piled on freaking like canister shells and stuff, all of that. A whole bunch of rockets. When we said we weren't going to get that much this year, but you know, those are one of the more funner fireworks that you got to. But tear the top of Sub-Zero, tear the top off Maiden. Here's the Doomsday finale, 400 shots. The thing looks insane. And then here's the 100 gram. This is a big guy too. Big old bores on this one. Then we got our daytime stuff, and you guys already know, man, we're ready. It's gonna be a big day today, and it never looks like a lot. I don't understand why, like, when it's all in the, I think it's just everything's just piled together, but this actually does look like a lot more than last year, though. It's just a whole bunch of just
dude, all the cakes. We still have more cakes.
Chaotic stuff. Yeah, it's just insane. So, but yeah, I think we're gonna try to light some stuff, just like bottle rockets or whatever, and firecrackers, and yeah, all this stuff. And then
it don't look like that much on camera, but in person it does.
Leo over here sniffing all the damn fireworks.
Say hi to the vlog.
But all right, y'all. Oh, and we got this bag full top to bottom of 200 grams. So yeah, y'all. But all right. All right, guys. So we are in the car now. We got, where's the fireworks at? Over there. Got the dynamite. Got the daytime stuff in there. And then,
guys, we're gonna blow this up.
Yeah, we're gonna tape a dynamite to that soccer ball and blow it up. So that's gonna be interesting. But we are gonna go get my girlfriend, and we're gonna take her to Dutch Bros because she wants to drink, and then we're gonna go to what's the name? What's it called? No, we're going to Dutch Bros.
I want Dutch Bros.
Okay, well. And then we're going to go to my grandma's. Well, I got to get gas, so we're going to go to my grandma's, so yeah. All right, we just got done swimming. I'm just going to get dressed. Wow. We're just going to get dressed now, and then we're going to head over to my little cousin's house to light off like the dynamite and daytime stuff. And then obviously, same plan as last year and the year before. We're gonna go with my dad somewhere to light the big stuff off. So, yeah. But 4th of July, it's been pretty interesting. It's been raining. My girlfriend's throwing stuff at me, guys.
No.
It's been pretty interesting. No. It's been pretty interesting, and stuff. Just, the rain was just really weird, but it stopped raining. We can see the sun's trying to come out a little bit, so that's a plus, but yeah. But we will see y'all probably at my cousin's house, so yeah. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide.
No one does it, Brayden. Is it old red one?
It's just smelling.
I'm sure the spicy one.
Bro, that's Nina Sports. Oh, shit.
You got it.
Run!
Oh, my equal lost.
And that was the fastest I've ever run.
Look at the smoke ring.
That was cool. And like,
Oh shit.
Oh, shoot.
Oh shit. Oh shit. It's a full stick too. It's gonna be loud.
Oh, my God.
Oh my gosh. Damn, it went over there.
I want to go see you.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's down there. Oh my gosh. Mexico.
no, bro.
Oh, Terry.
Did you see that one?
Yeah. Bounced off the ground. Full stick.
Oh, shit.
Damn it. This one's big. Wow.
After the first one,
I got a baseball on the top of that mountain. Oh, man. Go high. My hair just look at that. That's how you like it. That's what I call it, rolling hair. This is crazy.
Everything okay.
Come on,
oh shit! See, mine just wiped back.
There you go, Evelyn.
there you go.
Hey, that was me and Shane. Oh shit!
These hurt my.
Go.
Oh shit!
Run, Evelyn.
Come on.
There we go. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Yes, sir.
You supposed to wait till the girls like theirs, man. Bro, I literally have.
You need to Evelyn lights hers.
Go, 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 go. Come on, Ellie.
Allie, come on!
Yes. Yes, sir.
Oh, you sound easier than a light.
Ugh.
He's Gucci, bro.
Why just wait for one? Y'all got $1,000.
You might feel red.
Sky Wars. It's here in Dolan, Ina. It's about to go. There it goes! All right, go.
Emily, go, Emily. Shit, Emily.
Oh, David! Oh, shit! That motherfucker, he gonna die. Come on, come on. Wow. Damn. We got already like 6'2".
Wait.
You got them all?
Did you get yours? Yeah. Yeah, we go.
Wow, that's still falling. No one. Yeah. Huh? I didn't even know we were lighting.
I spit my seat on it.
David, what are you doing? Light yours. This one's got really nice effects. There we go.
Good.
Oh yeah, these are good.
I wait till I heard hers.
Those are going really high.
No. Egypt has a good ass goalie.
Oh, that blue is amazing. Nina, that blue is gorgeous. Look at that blue. That blue is awesome.
We not finished it up.
No, hell no. Look how smoky it is, guys. We smoking this place up. Here we go. Oh, shit.
It's done.
Yeah, it's done.
That shit moved.
Mm-hmm.
You're pointing at the ground.
I thought you said you going.
That's fine.
Where you go? You down that way, right?
Evelyn, get back. I just didn't want you to get sparked or anything. You're good. You can come back up. Yeah. Huh? We can, maybe. If she lets, we'll see. We'll see. What the hell is that? Okay. That was Maiden. It's angled. This is another big one. This is a really big one. I got you. You ready? You good? Minutes.
Grand finale.
All right, guys, that's it, man. That is the end of this vlog. I'm grateful for God giving me, and my sister, obviously, and my whole family, you know, just giving us a successful, fun, and safe 4th of July once again. I'm also grateful for my family, my mom and my dad, making sure that me and I always have a good 4th of July. You know, they help a lot with getting us the fireworks, but I bought a lot of them this year, guys. But I was really proud, and I'm not complaining. Every penny I spent for fireworks this year was worth it. Oh my gosh. So yeah, but we got like 10 spinners left, guys. I don't really know how that video is gonna work. It's gonna be a very tiny video, obviously, but yeah, it's gonna be like a little lighting fireworks for the 4th of July, but it's not gonna be nothing too crazy like it was last year, like how we had those shells and stuff. I don't know, we'll see if they give us something for, I don't know, we'll see. But this is it, guys. This was such a good year. First year having 1-in-1 cakes, first year having strobe rockets, and those were awesome. Hopefully we can get our hands on some strobe rockets like the Big Bang Salutes, and not the little consumer ones, but those ones were still awesome, man. Seeing those things go were super cool. But those 1-in-1 cakes were awesome. That Doomsday cake at the end was actually supposed to last 3 minutes, but it only lasted 1 minute and like 40 seconds. And I think it's because I think a fast fuse got hit in there or something. I don't know. I just think the finale came way too early. I think like a fast fuse, or just, I think they all just got hit. I don't know what happened, but it was awesome, perfect. But yeah, I'm sorry I didn't really film a lot of fireworks like I did last year. It was just, there was just a lot going on, guys, and I was lighting a lot of them. Like I would film a lot last year, but I was lighting a lot of them this year, because we all kind of, we were all lighting them, really, because even my dad was lighting some, guys. Like, we were lighting like 8 shit at a time, like 8 shells at a time, freaking whole bunch of rockets at a time. I couldn't film any of the rockets, guys. I'm sorry, I filmed the strobes and like the big border busters or whatever they're called, but I didn't film like the whole like screaming banshees and ball breakers and speed ups, those were awesome too. You stick like 5 of them in a little mortar tube and they all just go up. It's just so fun, man. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for this vlog. Just thank you guys for the support, man. The 140 subscribers and stuff, and I don't know how much we're at now, but we were at 140 before we made this video, and I'm really glad for that. But man, Missouri went crazy for the 250th. There's so much smoke. Look at all this smoke. And where we went, we smoked it out even worse. Like, you couldn't even see like probably 50 feet ahead of you. Like, we smoked that shit out. Also, that Doomsday cake. So whenever I dropped my friend off, I was with my girlfriend. I was like, I want to drive back down there. I want to make sure nothing caught on fire. We go down there. That Doomsday cake is literally on fire. So we rush to the house. Good thing it's only 2 minutes away. Get stuff and we pour it on there. Hopefully it didn't catch back on fire. I don't think so. We drenched that shit in water. But yeah, that Doomsday cake was awesome. Awesome. I loved every firework that was lit off today. So yeah, but next year it's gonna be bigger, obviously. Well, we hope, you know. But that's the plan. So we'll see y'all next year, man. It sucks that this is over, but you know, it always comes back, and we're gonna have a blast next year. You know, today was awesome. You know, I still hear a little bit of stuff, I still hear people still shooting off a little bit of stuff, but they're like pretty far away. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, Missouri really did their thing for the 250th. They really did. We went crazy. Every street that I've been on is just really smoky, and that's just the area of Missouri I'm in. Imagine how everything else is. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop yapping because I don't want to keep y'all here for too long. If you guys are staying till the end of the video, by the way, and you guys didn't skip or anything, you guys are real like goats. Like, I love y'all. Me and I appreciate you guys. All the support this year has just been awesome. I love, like I said, I love like replying to y'all's comments and everything. It's just awesome, man. Like, you guys' support this year has just been awesome, and we only hope to grow with you guys. So yeah, but I think this is gonna be it. Oh, there's Nina in her window. Hold on, Nina. But yeah, this is gonna be it, guys. It's gonna be the end of the video. I don't know when you guys will see us again. That store we went to for Memorial Day, they said they're open year round, so we'll have to see if they're actually open year round. But if they are, we'll give y'all some firework content. I just don't know when, but probably for like New Year's Eve, and I don't know, maybe like some Halloween content or something. I don't know, guys, but you know, there's Nina up there, and then oh, there she is up there. But yeah, guys, we're out of here. Nina said that she'll see you next year. Hopefully we can see you guys sooner if we can get our hands on some more fireworks for like New Year's Eve or something. But we'll see y'all next year. What a blast it's been. And yeah, y'all, peace out.
You feeling lovely, living love.